Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Well. Well, guys, see there? See the hot thing? Hot chocolate.
So the lens
is well hot.
360 there.
So what we have right here? This is how I'm starting my morning. Well, this is my lunch. Well heavy. You know, well heavy. So here we have the steamed pumpkin, broccoli, coconut. Alright, but that one here, which one is?
But coyote, I said.
Coyote. Oh, chocho. Oh, okay.
Chocho.
Oh, so it's a coyote. You know, it says coyote, you know, most people will call it chocho. But you know the thing where yeah. So we have the chickpea, we have the callaloo here, we have the ackee and callaloo, the quinoa,
people have put them,
you know, curry chickpea over here,
and you see the original name for the
turn carny,
you
know it goes already.
To men and people and them young people, when they say something like them want to change up the wedding.
So that's the one most I see you keep on
yeah, the one. Our original thing for a long time, chocho.
Yeah,
we don't know no other different.
Wow.
Yeah.
Curry chickpea, okra night.
You don't want other
curry chickpea, okra.
Original.
Highly. With the turn cornmeal. Guys, I can feel the weight of the box. Heavy. So imagine when that thing I mean, heavy. So you know, I'm not drop nothing. Nothing now drop. The callaloo, the green beans and everything. And the quinoa, you know, original rice. This is the rice we eat, quinoa. When I eat this, I eat something wrong. So you have to just eat the right one.
Nigga man, you want to do some more video thing.
Callaloo, ilaloo, you know,
Like when I work on them video, you can't take
a magazine, a reggae magazine. When I post back my something, she say, okay, let them do.
I go and go to money, more for you.
Yeah.
I made it a one video with me and did the bamboo stand.
The thing, guys, when I want to eat this, I have to say I don't want to bite my tongue on camera. So I will catch you later.
Yes, I'm going to tell you. So that then is a magazine.
Still too much chalice.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I want to follow the street, man.
Never lean.
Never lean. Yeah, man. People always talk about me still. So, yeah. Big up one
Every time, you know? The rain is pouring down.
I don't like rain.
You don't like the rain?
A long time in the party.
You don't like the rain? Ben, you like the rain, Ben? Yeah? You don't like the rain?
Hey, come on.
Hey guys, well, as you can see, it's pure rain. You know, it's rain pouring down. Everywhere. It's a blessing upon blessing. Literally get caught in the rain and everything. Yeah, bro. Yeah.
A long time we don't get no rainbow yet. Rain far around.
Yeah, but we're not the rain now here. But it's good still because we need it. So the rain is here. So finally. So I go on, the rain is here. Here.
Daddy, it might take a while.
I'm here with Shannon as well too, in the rain. I'm here with Ben in the rain. And Father for the year. You know, the rain time. Someday I pass, come say I'm gonna drop off a donation. You know. So man, say I have a donation here from Unknown as well. So a donation here from Unknown from Florida. You know, big up yourself Unknown from Florida. So we have 100 US here for Father for the year. You know the thing goes, Easter come early. You know, bun and cheese. Yeah. So I go on the bed set up?
No, I'm not fun to me.
Okay. Yeah.
You don't get paid from the you know?
Yeah. Alright, so. Yeah, man.
You get a fund that made up not to pay from
Yeah. That is it. So, ever 100 years here for you from Unknown from Florida.
Why? Unknown from Florida. Why I bet me Easter pig. Light up me Easter car, bun and cheese in the house. Again? Janet. Then.
Oh yeah, mix them up. Because she Janet and she Ben.
Janet. We have bun and cheese for the Easter from Unknown.
Yeah.
So, yeah, go to it. You didn't know the boy. You did it in a knees. You see me? Right now, knees, then I can it. That's how one I see that. And now, you're going to say, then, thank you for this. Yeah.
Then I want to say thank you. Unknown.
Thank you.
Unknown. Okay. God bless you. God bless
you.
And have a happy Easter.
Thank you.
Shannon.
Hi. Thank you, Unknown.
From Florida.
From Florida, it's very nice of you to hand over something for Easter, which is very nice. And God bless you. Have a happy Easter and a happy day in Florida, even though I don't know what country is named Florida.
It's a state inside of America.
Florida is a state inside of America. Well, good luck in America because there's a lot of peace laws happening. But thank you for your donation. It's very nice for Easter. And God bless you.
Okay, so you're going to eat a lot of bun and cheese, right?
Bun and cheese,
You like bun and cheese, Shannon?
Not much. I rated a 2.
You don't like the cheese?
Nah, I don't like the bun.
You don't like the bun?
Too dry.
Too dry?
Bun and cheese? Yeah, too dry.
You like bun and cheese, Ben? You like bun and cheese? Yeah? Ben likes it. Shannon says too dry. I guess you're eating the wrong bun. You're eating the dry bun. She don't mess with certain stuff.
Yeah. The cheese.
She don't eat bread? That's good. You don't like bread?
Dry.
Fried dumpling for that one.
You a fried dumpling?
Yeah, fried dumpling.
Oh, fried dumpling.
I forgot the morning time we have breakfast.
Oh, the fried dumpling.
You know, normally you eat 2 times a week, yeah?
Yeah.
3 times a week.
Oh.
Cholesterol, I don't want to live too much cholesterol.
Okay, yeah. Understand. So you like fried dumpling?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I love it.
Is that one of your favorite?
Yeah, it's very great. eat.
The fried dumpling.
They're very delicious. I feel like eating more, but I don't like eating a lot. Sometimes I could get stuffed and avoid eating for a while.
Yeah, so I'm not looking tomorrow.
Yeah.
Come with it. You come and see. Really?
Yeah, man. Definitely, I'm gonna do that. We'll come back this year again.
Yeah, man.
At least today I get some shower of blessings.
Yeah.
You know, I said it.
Yeah,
The earth is needed because the place is dry. You know, so we really need some rain. So a lot of garden they need water.
Yeah, like my garden.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna keep a garden, you know?
Yeah,
See
so-
that for yourself.
Yeah. So the garden needs some water.
Like the chlorine kind of, it's time for them away, but
The chlorine water though.
yeah, it's time for them away.
Yeah.
Yeah, call the water here for us, one them.
See them a
I'm
flourish.
not for tomorrow, I'm not for water.
Yeah.
Anything in the ground, I bust up fresh. You know?
Yeah,
While the chlorine, I let it stay for a couple months, you know, before it come up.
Yeah. Because the chlorine water, I tell you, it's tight for the plant then.
Yeah.
Them stunted bad. Guys, the chlorine water, when they use it to water the garden here, the water from the pipe, trust me, it's like make the plants them stunted.
Yeah.
So the natural rainwater, you know, sometimes it's good. But the water from the pipe, trust me.
Set talking to the forward, like I am, like a unicorn. And I jump.
Yeah, to catch the rainwater. Yeah.
And after that, this now cool here, so we start water, then we do rainwater.
Yeah, man,
You
it's
get them
true.
fresh and hot and ready, you know?
Yeah, man. Alright, yeah, man. So we give thanks. So, Shanette, I'm gonna go now.
Bye.
Bye. Unknown.
Happy Easter to here. Yeah, boy, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Happy Easter, everyone.
yeah, with that Easter egg.
Everyone.
Happy Easter, everyone, and also Unknown. My name is called Unknown, but weird, but it's nice. Nice to meet you, Unknown. Have a happy Easter.
Because unknown don't want her name to be known.
Yeah.
So she does use that name for disguise. You know?
Oh.
Alias name. Right?
It would have been so much supportive if you did, you know it.
Yeah, so she don't want her name to be known. Alright then, so bye bye then. High five.
Bye.
High five.
Bye. Thank you.
High five. High five.
Alright,
Puppy. Yeah, man. Bye bye.
See you, John. Here we go.
Yeah.
Oh, can I do this? Bye.
Bye.
Easter.
Bye. Bye bye. Alright. Guys, so time for me to run, go home. Time for me to run out of the rain. So we give thanks. Thank you so much, Unknown. You know, thank you for the blessings, you know, for blessing, you know, Shanette, that father for the year, Shanette, and also Ben, you know, we have also Lily, you know, so the man been doing a wonderful job looking out for the kids then, you know, so to give thanks for his love and the support each and every time, you know. So guys, keep it positive each and every time, you know. I'm gonna say, let's give our blessings, you know, give your prayers, you know. Thank you so much, guys. The prayers does work. It does work. So you know, my time to run out of the rain like flash. So we inside Bob Marley yard, you know, over there where Bob Marley was living, Peter Touch. You know, but Bob Marley was staying here with Peter Touch. That is it. Blessed love, Dream Team, one team. I know it's the only real team. Blessed love to all. guys, you know, today I'm doing some runs. Need to get some things done. I need to go pay my internet bill. I also need to go and change my tires because my tires is getting low. You know, one of my tires them is bent. So today I need to change my tires. So them always said when you're changing tire, it doesn't make sense to change one and the next one is gonna go and everything. So also this one is a bit low. So I have to change all 4 of them. The all 4 tires have to get changed. So one tire costs all, you know, so obviously I'll just change all 4 of them because they've been on there for a while, you know, come and get the car. So yeah, well first I'm gonna play my internet bill, which is with Flow, you know. Well, from the other day, the flow has been flowing right, so I can't complain. You know, they've done some changes and everything is doing good for me. So let's go pay my bill. Alright guys, you know, that's done and dusted. So now I'm gonna head to the tire warehouse. So I'm gonna head to the tire warehouse now, change my tires, and then I also have to get my car serviced. I don't know if I'm gonna do that today, you know, but obviously I'm gonna do it probably tomorrow or so. I need to service my vehicle. So you know, you have to take care of the baby. Yeah, so you know, the car is what bringing me around. I'm doing 99% of my charity. So you know, the vehicle have to always highly maintain because without this vehicle carrying me around, trust me, I wouldn't know what to say, but that have to get done. So prevention is always better than cure. The more you maintain the car, the less it will cost you. Just like if you keep your system right, you pay less to see the doctor. So I have to just make sure I pay attention to the vehicle. You know, because them say cars like a baby, you have to give it your attention. Otherwise, when it breaks down, trust me, you don't want to be in regrets. So, oh, I should have do this and I should have do that and should have all of that, you know. So I always maintain it, you know. Always maintain it. So it's been a wonderful day. The sun is out, place is bright. We got some rain yesterday, early this morning, but the sun is out now. So you know the thing goes, so guys. So I'll catch you back up. See you soon. holy papa there, see me. Yeah. You can't shake it, you know.
I got the other part.
That's it. You get one boom. But now pick them. Tastes good, you know. And then black one and the sweet one, you know.
Pumpkin rice and mine.
They cook pumpkin rice. How would it do that, you know?
Yeah.
What's that?
Eat brunch.
That's true, yeah, so.
Yeah.
You see?
But I eat it, try to some eat. Or
You see if
whatever.
right up there, so you have to go have a bag some for catch them too. Jack on the
I said, when they are, why is that low picture? Guys, let's come get some jackfruit quick and fast. You know, this is a quick stop to get some jackfruit because we got phone calls of jackfruit already. So, it's the can make the jackfruit punch we all been waiting for, you know. So buy a jackfruit, but the jackfruit we should buy, I know that the smell already. So, cranberry mom call us say, we have jackfruit ready. So we're gonna come here to pick up that. You know, so we need some jackfruit punch, but we'll come back on another day because I also have some donation to give to them. So I never get a chance to part of the donation today because sure I was on the road with the bills, you know. So we'll come back another day, you know, to sort that out. But we're here for that jackfruit to get some jackfruit punch. You know, Mr. Juice, that's so nice. Ah, esse? É? Esse é? Or the pump? Oh, somebody a pump water. Yeah. And the best way that how it is. See, oh. Best way to pump the water. Yeah, Kenisha, the mother. I can see the dad is putting on the roofing. One thing with this dad, it never stop work. You can see he's putting on the zinc for the kitchen area. Evening.
Say now, me for me do.
From there?
For my son, for man, she said we not to do it again for apart. I am sorry not do it again.
You're sorry not do it again? Make sure.
I have jackfruit here. I mean make the pick it and put it down there. I mean tell her to save it, you know.
Is it?
Yeah, you want to see? You said, you want to see jackfruit big daddy?
Big.
Yeah, we just eat one and make juice.
So you only eat one, not eat none?
No, father, if you want to you, I get up. I never see no more. How things can happen.
It big?
See that? Feel that? Feel it.
Soft.
You feel it? Cool on.
Thank you. High
You're
five.
welcome. What is that, eh?
So eat up the rest of the jackfruit.
1, 2, 3. How we are so one see one see you.
It's a charge here, putting up the roof in.
Yeah,
Eh? Where there?
See them.
Are you good?
There is some more come off your foot.
Sorry, no one give me a high five. We're not friends. High five. Say I show off, so. Guys, as I can see, the father putting up the roofing. Esther. Rain coming down. Guys, you know, like coming up this hill sometime. It's a mission. Right, Nana? It's a mission coming up this hill.
You feel it now, Esther? Yeah, I'm going to go.
On here, go.
Let me see the mango.
You know, jackfruit, and mango.
I still see it. Is it look?
Lenny. Like it, Nana?
I don't know if you
We're gonna come down.
It'll look good.
Eh?
It'll look good. It's fine. Remember, the little girl.
Sorry, you never work.
Eh?
I need to be the right person to come pick it.
What, there's more there?
Yeah.
Oh, the one.
Open the
Sit there, but don't have
Alright, so I have to go pick that one there then.
Yeah.
I have to climb it.
And now to pressure.
I'm sure me the one I'm
See
sure
there?
if I go pick and I think I'm picking
Look
up, I
here.
never see them one there.
See there? See there?
Sit up there.
Yeah.
So I have to go pick it, man. Go boom there. You can't climb in and say nothing, go pick it. Let's go pick it. Nah, leave it in the car. If you leave it, you not get it.
I'm gonna eat it up.
I'm telling you the truth. Am I come? Okay, they are coming. Look, it just saved me. Just saved me. Let's see.
See them there? You see them two there up there, so it's one. And right. What them again, the teacher one eye sweet. Come out I rain for the rain.
So you have to go use the ripe one. The overripe one.
Now cut the one no go home still because you can't do so long now.
I don't.
This me.
It's a look man.
When I go school today?
Nah? Tomorrow.
Tomorrow when school again holiday Wednesday.
No, school not get holiday.
No, only Thursday.
Wednesday? Went to that.
I missed when school again day Wednesday. I went to school again.
Oh, watch us in Kane.
Let's do it, yeah. Let's do it, yeah.
Yeah, the man that cat there.
Come here.
Oh, she did it.
I come on.
Me that run with family like a cat there. Why me I tell you?
The cat, but the cat look like him like it.
And I tell her say it nice. A jackfruit not say it nice.
Which food? You know I get no food. I mean I get your food. Okay? Finally we can get a jackfruit from D now.
I'm doing it. Let me fruit this.
No, that's a jack. Go on the fruit.
What?
That's jack. The fruit up in the tree.
See fruit that come off a tree.
It named jackfruit. So that one is jack. So the next one in the tree named fruit. Right? Them say one up the one that can't stick at the bird that mash it up. Come in and we'll get it out.
Well, it's gonna.
Come. Can't leave that day if you leave it. A day I get it. Watch my pine. But my pine.
Oh, you water it, eh?
You water a pine?
Yeah.
With what, river water? Good.
Sometimes when I get water, I just water it. I make rain water it. And watch it. Every week, peep, look. And all I take time to pine. So me go take time to say my skin has scratched.
Wow, the jackfruit.
So I'm allergic to the yam there.
Can you pick that already?
Yeah.
What?
You want up half ripe and
Mouse. What?
start the phone there.
How's it? You can't come fast.
If you find a fit one.
See, there's two on there, right? That's up on our head. Tell him to be that one there.
Yeah?
Now make something do.
Like tree and they can make.
Eh? The green? That one a green too?
See one of them green? Let's try to that.
That not fit? Yeah.
Like they tell you, also can you map it?
So I want to say it right. Charge him, say it right.
Let's go to the cake and then.
Him say it right.
Where? Oh, that's up?
Nah, I broke with them, man. Oh, if I go lie down on it.
Now put my weight on that, man.
Nah.
Where's the car, Daddy? You can't take it.
Yeah.
Why you not get this stick where?
Where's the stick there? Where's the stick there? Where's the stick? Go get the stick.
I phone to go on to cover the phone and
I think so that one there.
Give me
So that one I could pick and put up. That one I could pick and put up.
That big one, huh?
Yeah. Put up.
It's
Not arrive.
Can you start ripe? Just when it start ripe,
Yeah.
it can finish by itself.
Okay.
Watch her,
What you?
little girl them.
Oh.
Watch her, yeah them. Keep me please, no promise me. And look about well, tell me now, you say. Me now go telling you now.
She never send me. She send me.
Understand, I need punishment. So you get punishment, right? You stay inside the house. Good.
No, it's outside and can't come out.
Yeah.
So something there, chef. Oh, chef.
That work.
So why you not bring back the people that when you bring?
How much jackfruit them? 1, 2, 3. Yo, I count them in a day. Because I come back and I see them, you know.
That way, but jackfruit not
Well, that's not only. Exactly. That big one, them knows that.
Oh, sure you want daddy.
You know, me I come back soon as possible in terms of the least expected.
Tell me, don't make the no, no. Oh. Who sure you want that big one up there, sir?
3 there. Which one? That big one here? 3
You know,
there.
you can bring
That's
ripe.
Thursday.
See, stick up here, daddy.
Yeah.
It will pick up with you, know? Yeah, I can.
Can't joke it.
Yeah. I can juke it. It will pick up with
Now you're tired already. You see that day?
You sure say right?
Yeah. Ripe or not ripe, that look alright to me. If it's not ripe, it look alright.
Ah, you can bring it to them.
White nose. White nose get fatty. White nose get salad a rock.
In like the line. This one, jackfruit go pick
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 jackfruit left back on the tree.
Eh? You call the baby one then, daddy?
Yeah.
Hey, dad.
Oh, wait, Esther? Hmm?
My finger.
Oh. There, look here.
Beads.
Leave my other foot at here.
Nah,
Hey, I promise that. Do you just pick the jackfruit for the people? They're wicked too, man.
So who pick them one they did?
Oh, no, I not do it. Friend. Yeah.
White nose. Not tell them.
Stop telling like power, dude. Don't believe in here. Watch out. The sun go in there. Before you come, you might eat jackfruit here. And not tell you what you want.
And I eat jackfruit.
So now when you pick jackfruit, come take jackfruot from us.
Stop telling lies. And you come in the whole like jackfruit and tell us so enough to take no. And you want to take up your jackfruit. I'm saying, save me and say that from father.
Oh,
father.
I true that, Nana? They either pre for eat with jackfruit.
But you want to laugh in that tree, you can see how nice.
That one there ready?
Let me tell you, so them lean on the tree.
Yeah.
That's why them one side get brown and fast and the rest side.
So one side ripe and one side.
Yeah, so
here
one
we
side
do.
ripe faster.
So pick the side where ripe and leave the side where green. You can. You must can pick the side where ripe and leave the side where green. Now listen to this. So a big one there, I beg you please. Me could get that one there.
I know him have to tell. I mean have to tell. I mean pick the big one for you, you know, you tell the.
Thank you. Are you climbing?
Look here now, my beg my cousin to pick it and say me I pull on this, yeah. Don't eat it. I eat it from Uno.
3 of them?
Yeah, you bring
3.
and eat them.
Only.
I mean, some want to, you know. Some just say the one I don't like, daddy.
So
if you want that one, I tell me, don't tell me, I see that. If one more grain there, me I take out the 2 of them for you alone.
Alright then.
So you saw me save it, me if you not eat it, you know, me say me I left it for it. My mother tell me say tomorrow I come. I say better today he might come. So in knows that jackfruit, that will make him run come. Yeah, laugh. That's all laugh.
That's why I say me run come because my ears a jackfruit.
A jackfruit alone make you come up here. If a jackfruit you know and now come be and the belly alone make you run come up here. You know why I say that? And your belly alone make you run come up here.
My belly?
Yeah.
Oh, so you say
Yeah,
me
look
love my
man.
belly?
Yeah, look man, but are you know me getting a party, you know, good girl, in vex, you know, when he come up, you know.
I mean, as a you, me
Me say, I war, look man, war me. Yeah. I want more, you know. Are you not make me get my party, you know? She want me to
I them should have beat you. Them should have won, them should have beat her.
So yeah, now when he come in, I make sure you apologize to him, you know. Me say, my mother asked, oh, we say, auntie, we sure. Me say, mommy, me say, we nearly deaf Esther. I tell her.
But listen, it's them jackfruit there.
Yes, daddy.
Please.
Keep them.
Yes.
Yeah, we can give him 4 or 6.
Yeah, at least 4.
And get the little the little baby one there.
For Uno. No.
You're wicked, Nana. Who come give the money? Him, you know? If I know she no come call chemo. Or we get money extra. We broke and I starve up here. I'm glad so father come help me. Yeah, chemo. A Sunday one man come say she know you. And her eye look a bit red. Yeah, you feel like me know what you know and chemo tell me say you know in pit, you know the daughter and you know the father. I say I never knew that. I mean who tell you that yeah, you go tell him when he come. Tell him. Yeah, when he come.
Oh, Saturday, someone come.
I said them know you. Some say, oh, chemo. Some saying help. So yeah. First me I hear this. I never watch a part that one need help.
Yeah, maybe I'm gonna eat my mango and sandwiches.
You go and me not drink no more that start tell.
Tara.
Big up Kima now we bring ya. Oh yeah, Kima.
I mean you want fight.
The ice cream is nice. Mother say me I got the pan house me I bring. She say when we go, my father stay near you or Esther, one out of the two. And ask, look at me, Esther, you don't never say me talk to my father.
I mean, of course, shut up.
I ask them calling you for Esther. Look at daddy, when we go there again, I'm not beg me, I ask you. Who's trying better, Esther?
Don't come in here, say don't talk.
You beg me, Esther?
The dog, the people.
What? Hey, you know, say I talk, him talk, Esther. And the busy dog can't talk. Anytime him know me there here, watch your tail. Look at the tail. Look. You see the tail? Right, I swear until they say your animal, them have so much sense. You see, when dog serious and about them tail no wiggle say no. What? Eh? Look, watch. Tell us, yo, what is it? Let me show you. Dog, there's something else.
And when you walk out there now, we stop it.
Me I tell you, watch this.
Go on up there and see when I do. Come, let's stand up.
You might go talk to him. What happened? What happened? Watch your tail, watch your tail. All the body. Yeah. Why are you there? Let me see. Yeah. Come this way. Come. It's me. High five. Come, high five. Give me a hand. High five. High five. Come, high five. See there. High five. Good dog. High five. See there. Hey. Wicked. High five. Come, high five now. Yeah. My edge. High five. Come here. High five. Aua. Aua. It's going, right? Come. Yeah, come. Yeah, come. They say dog have sense, guys. Dog have so much sense. Sometimes it's so unreal. So unreal the way a dog have so much sense. Like whenever she know me here, she come and she bark, wiggle her tail, wiggle her tail. So at least we have jackfruit to go on with. Yeah. Jackfruit. Boom job. Where is that?
It's gone.
Oh, what 2 o'clock on the cat? Oh gosh. What am say? So this beat up already? You need to beat up the more?
Yeah, but no.
Okay. Tara, you pick it for me? Are you picking for me?
Tara.
I'm gonna buy cat food for the cat, okay?
Yes, Daddy.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy a
My
cat.
cat.
Hmm?
My cat.
Are you a cat?
Yes. But you didn't say you're going to kill your cat.
Yeah, I like it. Then I want to kill you.
When you need all cat.
That's what you say?
No, Daddy, look here.
Oh, you say you're gonna kill the cat cranberry.
I play where I play.
Sister, move by yourself and I'm kill the cat now.
No good.
Becky said, shall I give me one more?
Guys, so I'm saying I have a donation as well, but sure I was on the road handling other stuff for myself. But I got the phone call and said jackfruit, so you know I'm gonna have to run come for jackfruit. You know?
Jackfruit make you run.
Yeah. I have to run come for the jackfruit. Come fast.
A jackfruit make you run, come up here.
Of course, run come for the jackfruit. So first I can make some jackfruit punch. Next, do like jackfruit juice with mango.
Yes, Daddy. And the juice nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
You like it? Juice local, you like it? Nice?
Say, everybody are saying.
Everybody else saying, yeah. Tara, you like the juice?
Tara, play again.
Tara. Juice nice. No, everybody.
I think everybody come to come swim today.
No, sir. Jack will come for it.
So when you come over?
When the rain calm down.
Jackfruit, my love, you want to take it away from Father. You got to take it to jackfruit.
Yeah.
You can't say that. Mommy, tell people
So as you can see, guys, the father putting up sealing off the top. Yeah. So the whole of the top seal off. So this is the door jam. The door jam go. Good. That good look. Don't laugh. One piece of binding wire. In a bag.
No? Yeah, fast, mama. Right, just stick up your hand. Mommy.
On that bag? Yeah. But the water I run back on the hillside.
Yeah. When I want them, I put that one there, so.
Right here, so?
Yeah, no, okay, so.
Oh, make it go so. So can I get some donation as well to forget the things. Yeah, try if we can buy some more cement and stuff. Yeah. So now I come
She
back.
said she can't find them again for ask Boomer.
Oh. Sorry. Guys, so I'm say I come back on another day. Come give them some donation for them. I got put it in there.
Tell them
I, the girls and with the cry for come see
I will call them and make them talk to them when I reach home.
I'm not no man for them.
When I see them back on, tell them to don't make them know say come here and that one want to ball. See you know keep mom, I tell you together and two. Yeah, you know they're wicked to know that my baby bring me a baby, you can't left me. See that? See that? So you have to go.
How will you take photo?
Picture. Lie.
Jackfruit. Some music is playing down by Boomer, like an event going on or something. Alright then, so later. Alright then, yeah? Bye bye. Alright then, bye. Yeah man, give time. Yeah. Alright guys, so we'll go in charge it. Yeah. I want the smell.
I'm a fool to the man.
I'm saying I want to beat up already now for beat up. Put a peer red me and say to bro. Yeah. The Indian girl never come over? Indian. Indian. Oh. Anatoko. Tara. Yeah. See the right thing, huh? Was strong. The bamboo. And juke them. Juke the tree properly. And that one I broke off already. When I broke off, you know, it always look like it green. Yeah. Yeah, where say you pick it? Wow, something strong. Yeah, you're not up or down your side. What, darling? I'm a general. We're not poor, man. We're not have life. We're not rich. Yes. Sell me a bottle of water now, please. That's a one bottle of water for the... Eh? No, a room temperature more, please. Come big up yourself on my camera.
Come to the people them.
See
Come
them?
to the people them.
Yeah.
Yes. Time come.
Yes.
Yes,
I don't work today now. I'm here some man about when I work back. So you don't want time come.
Time come, darling.
Time come.
Yes, my baby. Time come, baby.
Power.
Alright,
Yes. Cool on. Yes, a new corner up on the block.
Yes,
Yeah. New corner on the block. Definitely I'll do a one stop.
alright.
Yeah. Alright, look a bit.
Yeah.
One general. One general in the dance.
Yeah, brother.
Big up
I Zulu
yourself.
song with the chant you know.
Oh, I Zulu.
I love it, make me so high, you know.
Yes.
Right. You don't know the thing about that. I want love, man. You see me?
What do you got? Jah love.
Make me so high. This feeling I cannot deny.
Yeah.
You give me blessing in the twinkling of an eye.
Yeah, I
Never make the
Zulu.
well run dry. You know, yeah? I Zulu, man.
I Zulu, man.
Yeah, man, we rate that music, man.
Yeah, man. A good music in too, man, you know?
Yeah, man, a good music.
And sound like Sizzler, too, you know?
I true, man.
Man, have a sound like Sizzler. But probably when I film time,
But every voice, man.
Yeah. So the good otherwise, though?
Yeah, man, so far, man, most thing, you know?
More like.
You don't know general.
Yes. Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Jah love.
Yo, how much your leave stats? What's your leave stats?
2004.
2004. That means I'm going to know my daughter then, so I should leave her.
Long time?
Yeah.
Okay.
I start work there from them time then.
Good, I know.
From 2008 I start work there.
Some of them know. She look on her picture and she look like she know you, but you know?
She know me coming to work at them time there.
Okay. Alright then, yeah?
Yeah.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.